Ugh, why is it so hard to format our e-commerce blogs?
Are you struggling to design decent blogs?
Yeah, and I've already invested a lot on the content. It's got a good soul, but it just isn't quite looking the part.
Have you tried Bloggle? Because it sounds like you need a powerful drag and drop builder.
Bloggle? Ooh, there's a free trial. All signed up.
Awesome! Bloggle is a Shopify app that syncs with your store's theme and allows you to post stunning, engaging blogs in minutes.
For starters, it has beautiful templates that I can quickly jump into, and I can add my products as well. We're onto something here. It's such a breeze to organize my content with an authors section, tables of contents, and FAQs. Perfect for getting Google's attention.
Before you publish, make sure to follow tips from the live SEO and UX scoring. They make a huge difference in maximizing your blog's performance.
Definitely. I can also easily integrate with Klaviyo to add newsletter forms and grow my email list. This is a game changer. I can finally create blogs worthy of my store. I never thought I'd be able to do all this by myself and without coding.
Now you can stop crying over embarrassing blogs.
Hey.
Try Bloggle today for free.
Available on the Shopify App Store.